How to turn on or off dark mode in the TikTok app. On both iPhone and Android, you can easily do this. Now, all you basically want to do is go to your profile, just like that. Click on the three like lines at the top right, and then you want to go ahead and open settings and privacy. And once you're there, you want to scroll down till you see display. It's right over here in the middle of my screen. Click on there, and here you can either choose light or dark mode, or you can choose use device settings. So now nothing happened simply because my device is already on dark mode. But let's say I would change this real quick to light mode. As you can tell, TikTok will automatically change to light mode as well. But let's say I would turn this back on, then I would disable this, then I would go to light mode, then TikTok will stay in dark mode. So it's as easy as that. That's how you can easily turn on or off dark mode. And yeah, I hope this helped you out.